Technology capex as a percent of GDP is now greater than spending during the tech and telecom bubble. The big four hyperscalers alone are expected to spend more than $700 billion in 2026, and that number is only expected to move higher in 2027. Today, NVIDIA owns the AI accelerator market, but competition is coming. AMD has already shown it can take share in data center compute, steadily gaining ground in server CPUs since 2017. Now, it's bringing AI accelerators to market that could challenge NVIDIA's dominance in one of the most important technology markets in the world. We think the TAM for AI systems is going to triple by 2030, reaching nearly $1.5 trillion in annual sales. AMD designs two of the most critical chips in modern data centers: CPUs that run general workloads and GPUs that accelerate AI models. AMD's customers include all of the major clouds and internet giants like Meta. AMD owns no factories. TSMC handles their manufacturing, so the company really competes on chip and system design. AMD's held almost zero server market share in 2017 when it re-entered the server CPU market, and by Q1 2026, their share of server CPU revenue grew to 46% of the market. AMD shipped faster, more power-efficient processors on an annual cadence, while Intel kept missing deadlines. Each cloud instance family that built around AMD's EPYC processor line represents a multi-year procurement cycle. Agentic AI is a tailwind for AMD's core business. CPUs are becoming more relevant in the AI story as we have highly capable AI agents that command more traditional compute resources to get work done than the world of AI chatbots. AMD is running the same playbook they used to compete against Intel in the CPU market to try to compete against NVIDIA in AI accelerators. They're coming to market with a rack scale solution called Helios in the second half of this year that will compete directly with NVIDIA's offerings in the market. Our research shows that AMD chips can already be more performant than NVIDIA chips per dollar on some workloads. And we're optimistic on the demand for Helios, given customer announcements with OpenAI, Meta, and Oracle. We expect the competition in the accelerator space to put up a better fight than Intel has over the last 5 years. NVIDIA's demonstrated execution quality that's equal to and equally as impressive as AMD's over that time period. And some of their largest target customers like Google and Amazon are rapidly pursuing their own custom chip projects. With their breadth of portfolio across CPU and GPU architectures and the demonstrated execution of the AMD team, we think that they can capture a reasonable share of the future AI compute TAM, going off a very small base that they have today.